And sir, it seems the generation leading this charge, this demand for accountability is actually the younger generation, yung mga Gen Zs, as sinasabi natin, masyado silang woke. But maybe that's a good thing, because they're very in tune with our reality. So, bakit nga ba po ganun, sir, Parang yung kabataan pa yung mas aware, yung mas nagde-demand ng accountability from our government.
Well, babalik tayo dyan sa pinakapaboritong kasabihan sa Pilipinas, isa sa mga paborito, di ba? Ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. And it's an effect talaga dahil yung kabataan na sa age of social media, nakikita nila yung mga issues na ito everyday at frequency, nababasa nila everyday na bakit pare-parehas ng issue. Nakakondition sa kanila yung, yes, we have to do something. We have to act on this issue na talagang di ko naman sinasabi walang ginagawa yung older generation. Of course, meron. Pero makikita natin na yung peak talaga ng activism ngayon is within the youth. And hindi naman bago yan sa generation natin Even back then, yung mga past generations na yun, especially during the martial law, ang youth ang mga nangunguna ng mga lumalaban sa mga dictators, even sa mga even sila Rizal, yung mga bayani natin, mga bata sila They're around 20s, they're around their early 20s when they're at the peak of their revolution, mga ganyan. So, makikita natin na dahil yung every generation talaga, pag may nakikita silang problema, they're the ones who is always speaking about it, especially sa mga, for example, every protest makikita mo puro bata, and makikita natin na merong certain effort talaga para i-criminalize yung activism kung saan-saan sila tinatag na terorista o ganyan rebelde. And it's an effort of the government or mga structures to silence these people. Pero makikita natin na there is a strong call for this. Kasi sabihin natin na huwag naman rebelde, but sabihin natin na magugulo talaga yung mga tao na yan. Magugulo yung mga aktivista na yan. Let's say for the sake of their argument, totoo yung mga sinasabi nila. Pero in terms of ang call nila, in terms of kung ano ang pinaglaban nila, in terms kung ano yung mga advocacies nila, hindi ba't pag tinanggal natin yung kulay, tinanggal natin yung tagging sa kanila, they're calling for a better society, higher wages, tanggalan yung flood control scandal, maayos accessibility sa healthcare, environmental preservation. Pag tatanggalin natin yung kulay dyan, they're advocating for a better future. 'Di ba? So, we should be more supportive kasi if the relatively older generation won't do it, then at least they should speak up and support these people, and they shouldn't invalidate their struggle and their efforts just because they're young.